Okay, so I'm going to show you a really great way to organize your bookmarks that will really make use of this space up here at the top of your screen. So if for some reason you don't see any bookmarks at the top, you can always get those back by going to the three dots right over here, going to bookmarks, and making sure that show bookmarks bar is checked right here. All right, so let's talk about this. This is some great space up here that you can really utilize. And so if you, let's say, for example, a lot of teachers like to bookmark their Google Classroom page, right? So you're going to highlight that URL, you're going to click, and you're just going to drag it down, right? So you could have that there and it's going to bring you to this main page. But what you also can do is you can actually right click over that bookmark and you can add a folder. So let's call that folder GC for Google Classroom, right? So now that we have, whoops, we're gonna add a folder, whoops, call it GC and say save, and there it is, great. So now here we have this folder Google Classroom, and so I'm gonna go to my first Google Classroom. I'm gonna go to the classwork page because that's the one where I do the most work, right? I'm gonna take that URL and I'm gonna drag it into that folder. Then I'm going to go to another Google Classroom classwork page. I'm going to highlight that URL and I'm going to drag that into that folder. Now, check this out. When I click on that bookmark of the folder, I can have all my classwork Google Classrooms right here without taking up all of that space on my bookmarks bar, which is like fantastic. So I can actually right click and delete that classroom because I have this folder with all of my Google Classrooms right here. So that's a super cool one. Another really nice one to save some space up here is to, if you have a really familiar icon, for example, like School Tool, right? So I'm going to take that School Tool URL and I'm going to drag it down here. And you can see, I know that this S means School Tool. So if I right click that and I edit it, I can actually delete that name right here and say save. And now I'm not taking up all the space with all of these words. I just have the little icon for School Tool right there, which is really cool. I could do the same thing with Remind because, so I'm not logged into that one, so I won't take up the time. But basically, I can still edit it right from here, just delete that. And now I just have the icon. I can move that icon over here so I can keep all the icons together. This one over here is my Tech Tips website, which I go to all the time, but you'll see it automatically just called it home. Well, I can edit that to be whatever I want. So I want to call that what it is, Tech Tips, and save that. So now I know that's a Google site and it's Tech Tips. So this is just a really great way to utilize this really fabulous space up here and have super quick clicks to get you to exactly what you need. So I hope this was helpful, and stay tuned for more tips weekly on my weekly Tech Tips.